Hey guys, welcome back to Disturbing Kreationz Auto Shop. And you might be here because you just watched our BMW video on how to fix your power steering. And it's a little easy, but a little tedious. Now, if you've already fixed your power steering and it's not working, or you're getting some hiccups or some intermittent problems, then you probably didn't prime the system. You have to get the air out of the system, just like when you're doing brakes. You gotta get the air out of the brakes, where sometimes it'll work, sometimes it won't. And sometimes it just won't work at all. But you did all that work, so you don't wanna damage your stuff. So let's go prime the system real quick and get the car out on the road. Let's get some work done. So you just did your power steering, and we're doing it in a BMW E46, but this works for every single car. And I mean every single car that has power steering. So what you're going to do is we're trying to get the air out of the system so that we don't have any intermittent failures. First thing you're going to do is you're going to turn your car on, and then you're going to rotate your wheel until it can't go any more to the left. Once you get to the left, you're going to slowly rotate your wheel to the right till it can't go anymore. And you're going to do this 3 times. Now, the reason you're doing it 3 times is because if you go to the right and you squeeze a little air and it goes to the left, it might not have squeezed out to the hose yet to come up to the reservoir and escape. And you could be pushing that bubble back and forth. So we're going to go to the left, to the right, to the left, to the right, left, right, and then we're going to go out and check our reservoir, see how much we have, and then we're going to take it for a little spin. And remember, this goes for every car. So let's get it done real quick. So we're just going to go to the left, stop, and then go to the right. Stop, and then one more to the left, and then one more to the right, and then one more to the left. Now that we did it 3 times, there should be no air in the system. I'm going to go out, pull the reservoir, top it off, and then take it for a ride.